Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I am going to be making a tater tot type casserole side dish thing. We have a family barbecue get together we're gonna go do, and I need to make this in a gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free, basically all types of allergen-free formula. So I am using some of this cheese style spread rather than using any kind of sauce that would require me to use flour. I can do that with gluten-free flour, but it's a little tough and I want an easy recipe. I've got some plant-based, dairy, gluten-free, blah 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 mozzarella slices. I'm going to use some corn. I've got some tater tots, and if you're need gluten-free, you need to watch your tater tots because some do have gluten in them. And this is going to have some rice in it. I am going to get all this going and get it all baked up and ready to go. Follow along with me for this. It should be an easy recipe and hopefully it turns out tasty. First thing that I need to do is get my rice cooked up. I'm going to boil some water here. I'm going to throw in just a teeny bit of pink salt just for a little bit of added flavor. Get that water boiling, and that's about 2 cups of water, and I'm gonna add in just a teeny smidge. It's a heaping cup of rice. While I'm waiting on my rice to cook, I'm preheating my oven to 400 degrees. I'm gonna add about 3/4 of this bag to my bowl. I'm gonna throw in a can of corn. Going to put in my sun-dried tomato caprese. And this actually tastes pretty good. I took a little taste of it. The texture of it kind of reminds me of hummus, but it's definitely got kind of a spicy tomato-y taste to it, so it's really good. My rice is done. I'm just going to add that to my bowl. Stir all this together, which might be easier said than done. I've got my dish. I've got it sprayed with cooking oil, gluten-free, vegan, whatever, cooking oil. I'm just going to dump all my ingredients in. Flatten this out. Almost feeling like my casserole dish is a little bit too big for this. But I'm not quite done yet either, so it's good. I'm going to take my remaining tater tots and I'm just going to spread those out around the top. Next, I'm going to take my... Ooh, these are going to be hard to get apart. Okay, as best I can, I'm going to take these mozzarella slices and try, to put them over the top of this dish. Okay, I'm going to have to get a knife. Well, using the knife helped, but still some of these did not fare too well coming apart. I'm just going to do the best I can here and space these out over the top. I'm really just kind of hoping that they actually will melt a little bit, because if you have never worked with these plant-based products and stuff, some of them can be quite temperamental. I'm still kind of in the learning stages of this. I'm just going to take these little pieces that I ended up with and just kind of spread them around. I do have this one big one. I think I'm just going to go ahead and break it apart. Just squeeze it in here, squeeze it in. There we go. Now I'm going to put this in the oven, and it's going to be in there for probably around 40 minutes or so. Well, that cheese did not melt, like, at all. And it's kind of weirdly crispy. I don't know. I guess that's what happens when you use fake cheese. Hopefully it tastes okay. If not, I think it can probably be easily picked off. I am not going to give this a taste test right now. I'm going to wait till we get over to the family's house and we're going to be eating some barbecue and stuff. And maybe I'll get some opinions from them. Let them tell you what it tastes like.
Thanks for watching. Happy eating.